So now we will have to climb through that mountain. Now that is a really huge mountain and we have a ton of stuff to eat and drink, so you know, just enjoy the ride. Hi fellow adventurers, so on this channel we will share our wide adventures from all over the world, and it is a shame that until now we haven't created a YouTube channel where we can share our adventures, because we have some wild stories, I have to tell you. And now that we are together and we decided to stay together for forever, we have time to share these stories, and it will be an amazing adventure. And for the first series of videos, we return to one of our favorite places on the planet called Earth, and it is Gomera Island. It is an island of the archipelago of the Canary Islands, and it is just awesome. And we have been here for more than 1.5 months, and it was just such a combination of wilderness and love and nature and goats, and there are a lot of goats on this island and they are amazing as well. And it was just such a great experience that we knew that we have to start our new journey on this island. And now it is winter, and also we hate the winter, and we love outdoor activities like, you know, just cooking a delicious Parmigiano pasta outdoors in a camping gas. These are just so amazing experiences. And so while we are doing this, I will share some stories and what you will see on this channel. And so when we were here for 1.5 months, we were camping in the exactly same spot, like, you know, now. And the only thing that is different, that I will tell you a few minutes later, but first, it was a tough journey to get here during all this COVID thing, and because the journey took almost 3 days, and it was tough. We had to climb through mountains, and we had to take multiple planes and ferry, and so it was just a tough journey. And as you will see, we arrived to this island not really late, but we had to shop everything because we just like to be with each other, and we don't like to go to the civilization over there, and so we had to bring water and much more water and a lot of food, because you know, we like to eat, as you see. And when it was just a tough journey, because we were traveling for 3 days before that, and we had to climb through an entire mountain, and an entire volcanic mountain, in fact, and with all the stuff. And we were really hoping that our spot that we really like, that is this spot, that it is free, and no other hippies are around here, because we have hippie neighbors here in the mountains, and every time when we go to the town, we see our neighbors just hanging around there and listening to some music and just I don't know, hipping. And so we want to have this place for our own, for obvious reasons. And luckily the spot was completely free of hippies and of other kind of people as well, and we could just pitch our tent. Now then we had some realization, and that was the following. My lovely girlfriend's backpack was very heavy on the entire trip, and I didn't understand exactly why, and it turned out that our tent that we were thinking that we brought here, that was the tent that we bought on the Azores Islands. That is a small petite tent with just, it is a small tent and really light. It's like less than 1 kilogram. Instead of that, we brought the biggest tent for 2 person that is possible. Actually, it is not a 2-person tent, it is a 4-person tent, but it is very waterproof and stuff, so it is not bad. But when you want to avoid like crowds and other hippies, and you want to just hide, and you want to pack some light stuff, it is not the most convenient. But so the realization was, it was really funny after a long 3-day journey, and we just loved. So it is just, now we have a huge tent. It is like a living room, and it is actually quite good, but it is not the easiest to carry around, and it can be spotted like from miles away. But never mind. It is now. I think we love this tent because it is winter here and there's a lot of rain, so it is nice to have a bigger tent when it is, you know, raining for 2 days.